Okay, good afternoon and good evening to our resource because Asadi sir is now currently at Australia. So for this day 3 FDP, uh, the theme of the FDP was redefining research skills, enriching research and publication. And today's session, sir is going to cover
Yesterday they kept saying.
and methods to boost research culture. This is the topic today. Uh, so let me introduce our resource, Dr. Asadi. So as already given the introduction, so he has done a lot of knowledge sharing in the YouTube and he has contributed to the education community. And basically now he's working as a visiting professor at University of Newcastle, Australia. And maybe I'll just briefly go through his. I think, sir, you will introduce your this thing, sir, because for me it is very difficult to find out your good work.
Okay,
So
okay.
I'll
I'll
leave it to
introduce myself. Okay.
I will leave it to Asadi sir to introduce himself and start the today's session. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir, for a nice introduction. My dear participants, so far 60 participants have been joined. And today's topic is redefining research skills, enriching research and publication towards. This is my a brief introduction. I have done my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science Engineering at Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati in the year 2000, and a Master of Technology in Artificial Intelligence at IIIT Allahabad, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, and then one PhD from JNTU Anantapur with a specialization data mining, and one more PhD from IIIT Allahabad with the specialization in data science. Currently is running. And this is my education background. And I have 22 years of experience in the field of teaching and training and industry. And the major research interest in predicting and detecting health data analytics, weather forecasting data analytics. Right now, I'm doing environmental. Luckily, today World Environmental Day, and my research is ongoing on environmental related activities like soil data prediction and detection, and groundwater pollutants prediction and detection, and particularly for PFAS. So by using various statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques to develop accurate and efficient environmental monitoring solutions, it is used for the society. Right now, I'm doing research on Australian groundwater data. We are finding the PFAS by using various technologies. My major areas of interest is data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, cyber security, health data analytics. Right now I'm doing water quality and pollution control, environmental science and chemistry, environmental monitoring and remediation technologies. And so far, I have done a few more research on malware detection, even disease prediction, and I have used various latest technologies, latest algorithms like CNN, RNN, LSTM, various frameworks like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, various frameworks I have used. And so far, I have published 195 papers in international and national, 34 of which are in SCI and Web of Science, and 40 in Scopus journals. You can find my journals in IEEE Explorer, and you can see in RCID ID, in Scopus ID, and Web of Science ID, and my channel YouTube. Just now, 60 participants have been gone through my YouTube channel. And see, before going to my talk, so this is a 60 seconds, 1 minute a debate on this slide. What is happening in 60 seconds in the worldwide? If you see, within 60 seconds, so many things happening, like 6,94,444 hours watched in Netflix, 1.8 million emails sent within 60 seconds, and 4.5 million videos viewed, and 18.1 million text sent. That means through internet. So internet is a network of networks. Network is an interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. So the backbone for this data is cloud computing. Cloud computing is an internet-based technology. So the backbone for cloud computing is data center and virtualization. What is data center? Data center is a collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. Each MNC, each company having their own data center. Then what is meant by virtualization? Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, Virtual Iron, etc. Why I am explaining? Nowadays, you are alone generating 2 GB of data through videos, audios, text, and various audio files, video files, images, zip files, etc. So that means where the data is going, how the data we are extracting, and how do we are storing this data, how many servers are required. These are the technical questions may arise. That's why we are going to choose cloud computing. The backbone for cloud computing is data center. See, now I'm going to show you practicals. See, www dot. So what is happening? See how many users are currently connected to the internet. If you click this URL, www.worldmeters.info. See now, I am taking, my screen is visible.
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me, my screen is
Yes,
visible.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
visible.
So can you see me? Yeah. Can you see me here? Numbers are changing. See here, world population, current world population is changing here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, births this year, birth rate, births today, deaths today, and net population growth this year, and government economics. Can you see here, public healthcare expenditure? Here number is, see how drastically it is changing. Public education expenditure today. Can you see? Public military expenditure. Cars produced this year. See here. Bicycles produced. Computers produced. And the next sector is society and media. New book titles published this year. And a newspaper circulated today. See, numbers are changing. TV sets sold worldwide. Cellular phones sold today. Money spent on video games today. Internet users in the world today. Email sent. See here, the number is changing. So that means where the data is coming from, and where are the resources are available to generate a huge volume of data. And blog post written today, tweet sent today, Google searches today. See here today, environment. Today is World Environment Day. Can you see the forest loss this year? Carbon dioxide, see here. Carbon dioxide, CO2 emission. See, toxic chemicals released in the environment this year. Then if you see the food food-related activities. So money spent for obesity-related diseases in the USA today. See, USA today. Money spent on weight loss programs in the USA. Water-related, water used this year, and deaths caused by water. See how many people died because of bad water. People with no access to safe drinking water resource. Next, energy. Like this, why I am showing all these statistics. This is called internet statistics. So cigarette smokes today. See here, cigarette smokes today. Money spent on illegal drugs. See here. That means so many internet activities are ongoing. Within 60 seconds, how many users are connected, and how much data they are releasing, whether it is kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, brontobytes, and geobytes. See, such a huge volume of data you can see in this total internet users worldwide statistics. Okay, so now, so same thing I have incorporated in this slide. So if number of users are increasing, automatically the data center size also increases. That's why each company, each MNC multinational company having their own data center, and they're expanding like anything because number of users are increasing. So same thing I have incorporated www.internetlivestats.com. You come to know how many users are joined in the internet users in the world, total number of websites opened, emails sent today, Google searches today, blog posts written today, etc. So before going to my topic, enriching research skills, few interesting questions I would like to ask all the participants. If I am asking the question, what is your birth date? Everybody says their birthday date. Their birth date. Yes or no? Everybody says, I have my birth date, sir. See, in olden days, maybe one or two professors may not be knowing properly. Everybody knows their birth date. But if I ask the question, when is your death date? You are angry. Yes or no? So now
Yes.
my interesting question. Yeah, please see here. My question is, when is our death date? Means just, it is a generalized question. I'm keeping in front of you. Okay. So you just see the what I am going to give you the answer. See, when is our death date? There is a model. See, with the rapid IT technologies and rapid AI technologies, the scientists were developing various models. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. So now my solution for when is our death date, there is a model called life to vector. So life to vector is a model. It utilizes advanced natural language processing and deep learning techniques to generate vector representations that capture contextually rich information about various aspects of life. See, this model takes various inputs such as our date of birth, our lifestyle factors, and environmental influences to predict an individual's potential lifespan. At least, we may not find accurate death date. At least we can find a lifespan. We can predict our lifespan. Okay. So I'm giving my own input parameters to my life to vector model. It is one of the neural network model. Maybe they have incorporated CNN, RNN, LSTM, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas, various libraries they have incorporated and they have developed. a model called life to vector. Now my input data for this question, see, this is also one of the research problem. How do you can solve this research problem? Searching for new knowledge. See, research means searching for new knowledge. Now my in front of me, there is a question. Research problem is how do I can find out my death date, at least a lifespan for my inputs. My input data is biological data. It includes date of birth, height, weight, and lifestyle factors. What type of food you are taking, what type of exercises you are doing, and genes 50%. And finally, I'm finding the output is lifespan, number of years. So I have tested with my data. See, this is the program. Write a Python program to prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, and generic information. See, I'm importing a life to vector model. Then import matplotlib is a visualization package in Python programming, and NumPy in order to deal with the numerical. So I'm using one more library called NumPy. I'm defining a function to predict the lifespan based on input data. Because I'm a computer science background, sorry for other who are whose background is other departments. If computer faculty and students, they can understand this terminology, but try to analyze and try to concentrate what I am saying. It is useful for real-time environment, what is happening in this IT industry right now. So that's why I'm explaining. Then placeholder for prediction logic, then random lifespan prediction. Then I'm using all input parameters like date of birth, height, weight, lifestyle factors, genes, etc. Then predict the lifespan. So plot the graph. See, now I'm going to execute this program. Please see here. Go to wherever you have installed Python programming. Okay. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Please, yeah. So just you can download within 2 minutes Python software. Just go to Google and type Python software. You can install. It is not a big problem, very simple. Then once installed in Windows, then type Python. So whether it is installed or not, it is giving Python 3.12.2 version is available. Yes, perfect. Now I'm quitting. The Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE, integration development learning environment, and one more is scripting way. So uh, this is once you are giving any query, it responds immediately. That means IDLE, command prompt. But I'm writing a program. That's why I'm using scripting way. So I'm quitting from here. I'm moving to scripting environment. Now see here, Notepad. I have written already program. Notepad space lifespan. See, my program name is a lifespan. If you open, you will get it whatever I have written the program. See my screen. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Determine how potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data. I have explained already. So I'm importing all the libraries, required libraries, then input data, then predicting lifespan, plot the prediction and show. So now I'm executing this program. Very simple. See, Python space lifespan. If I'm executing, see, it is displaying, see, the predicted based on the input parameters. See how many years? Predicted lifespan is 96 years. Actual lifespan and predicted lifespan. actual lifespan is humans maybe 100 years. So it is predicted my lifespan is 96 years. So based on the habit of food and exercises and input parameters and genes, etc. Sir, my output is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, my dear participants, this is one problem. So, how I have defined this problem? So, here I am finding the research, searching for new knowledge. Everybody knows our date of birth, but I don't know my death date. So, in future, you can find your death date based on your constraints. He is talking. So, one second. So this is one type of one experiment, one research problem I have taken, and now one more problem I am going to show you. See, I am in Australia right now. In my research laboratory, we have invited various countries researchers. They are from UK, USA, Australians, Japanese, Chinese, Bangladeshi, Indians, and Iran. See, there is a so one problem I have identified how I'm communicating with them. With them, I am using uh, English is a common language. Now, see what I'm there is a natural language processing applications. How do I can convert one language to another language? Already translators are available. In mobile, if you speak in English, it translate to English. If you speak in English to Telugu, Telugu to English, Hindi to Telugu, Telugu to Hindi, like that. So how do we do program? Suppose already the researchers and scientists has been developed this sort of translators, but I want to develop my own translating from one language to another language. Yes, this is the way you can write. This is one more research problem. So write a Python program to convert English to Telugu language by using Google Trans library in Python programming. What I have done, I have imported all the libraries. I have taken the English text as a translate, like English text as input variable. Hello, how are you? So I'm translating into Telugu. This is already known application. Everybody using in the mobile phone. But how to do in practicals, that I am going to show you within 1 minute. So translate from English to Telugu. So I'm using directly Google Trans model. Then I'm getting the answer. See, if you see, so this program also I'm going to demonstrate. So clear the screen, notepad space. You can use English to English to Telugu. So just I have opened a program, write a Python program is to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library in Python to translate English text into Telugu language. So required libraries I have incorporated, then English text to translate. Hello, how are you? Translate to Telugu, then output to the translated text. So now I'm going to execute this program. Python space English to Telugu. See, I have given input as hello, how are you? Now see the Telugu text here. Hello, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? So if you listen your mother tongue, you will feel somewhat different. So there are various real world problems are there. Still, some languages doesn't have literacy. And see, some languages are doesn't have a script. That's why still some countries are facing, they are not understanding the world. If you take Chinese, they doesn't know English properly. They are using their own language. That I am seeing in my research laboratory. If they speak, they doesn't know proper English, I mean for Chinese. They are preferring always their own language for writing, reading, speaking, everything. So one more,
Sir, Asadi sir,
sir.
there is a chat in the some communication. The students
Yes.
are from ECE and other departments. Maybe this generalized way of explanation to be maybe given for the understanding of other branches also. Is
Yes,
possible.
yes.
Okay.
So, okay, what they are expecting? So
This.
just introduction only. How do we
Ah.
find a research problem?
Okay.
Then how do we give the solution? That's what my intention.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
not going to deep in programming knowledge.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this is uh, how do I can select one more research problem? Now, see, English to Telugu. Now same problem, English to Hindi. So again, I'm executing same problem. Notepad space English to Hindi. Okay. So same thing, write a Python program to demonstrate how to use a Google Trans library for conversion of English text. It is a research problem. So I want to convert entire text, English text to Hindi language. Already research point of view, even some some consonants, some alphabets, and some grammatical still errors are there. So there is no 100% accuracy. Still there is a research gap. So that's why research is search for new knowledge and it should be useful for the society. So same thing, I have taken the text, hello, how are you? I'm using Hindi language. Now I'm executing Python space and English to Hindi. So here, see, so English, hello, how are you? Hindi, namaste, aap kaise hai? So this is one of the research problem. Now I am going to stop this type of explanation right now. I am moving to our enriching research skills. Okay, so I think 92 participants joined so far. One small request, my dear participants. Just go to my channel and type Dr. Asadi. You will get it. 256 videos. You can write your own comment, no problem. And see, now we are living in this 21st century in a higher education field. See how many 7 hours are there. Can you remember in the red mark? See here, 7 hours of 21st century. 7 hours. 1 hour for recruitment, one more hour for retention, and one more hour for revenue generation. And the fourth one is research, and the fifth one is risk mitigation. Sixth one is a return on investment and reinvention. So you need to concentrate on research. Then only our country growth will see very good economy and very good prosperous and welfare, etc. Then see here. So my question is, what is this type of image we can call it in technical jargon? Today we are in international workshop on enriching research skills. See here, the technical, what is the technical name of this image? Last time I have explained for this image and what are the recently used terminology incorporated in this image. So I am asking the technical name of this image. So can anyone answer in the Google, in chat box? Can anyone, can I expect any answer from the participants? What is the technical name of this image?
Sir, is it related to AIML?
No. See, the big letters are research, sir. My question is, it is a image. How do you can publicize about Ashoka Engineering College, sir? There are various ways of publicizing. There are various ways of publicity like through message, through barcodes, through SMS, through banners, through digital information, digital scorecards. You are publicizing about your college. But now I would like to publicize about research. So this is one more way of publicizing about research. See, I have incorporated methods and question, increase, data, publishing, patent, understanding, different, definition, information, systematic, everything I have incorporated. So the technical name of this image, I think somebody answered in the chat box. IEEE Scopus, Sujata. Oh, you tried very good, but not correct answer, Rama. No problem. Very good. Any answers from the participants? What is the technical name of this image? 99 participants are there. I have incorporated various terminology in this image. And what is the technical name of this image? We are living in this IT trend right now. We are living in this technology world. Any answers from participants? Research process. Gopi Krishna. You tried very well, but not correct answer. Synonyms of research. Soumya Sri. You are reaching to answer, but not correct answer. Raghu Kumar, Research Hub. You are also trying, but not accurate answer. Anyone? What is the technical name of this image? You are trying well and good.
Sir,
Hats
sir,
off to you.
Asadi garu,
Sorry?
research panda.
Research Panda. Oh, no, sir. No. You are trying close, but not correct answer, sir. Any answer from the remaining 101 participants? Try. What is the technical name of this image? If you see my YouTube video, you will get it answer from my YouTube video. I am giving a hint also. Huh? Anyone? Any answer from the participants?
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis. Madam, you are close, but not correct answer, madam. Very good try. Very good.
Variables.
Variables. Oh, you are trying, but not correct answer, madam. So what is the technical name of this image? Once again, no problem. I am giving the answer. Please see here. So this is called research word cloud. I have explained the small analogy of a word cloud. See, where the data is going from, we are accessing various sources and a huge volume of data where we are storing. So the technical jargon of this image is called word cloud. So what is word cloud? Representation of the most frequently used terms in a body of research. This is one kind of publicity of your suppose your organization or your topic, etc. See, so far I have given a small introduction about research. What is research and how to choose the problem, how to give the solution. I have given. Now we are moving to actual part. So today's topic I have decided 16 topics I have given. I think everybody knows everything, but I am going to show you each one in practical session. Okay, if you are having system and you can follow me, you can also practice, no problem. Otherwise, I am going to uh, give you the practical knowledge of how to do the best research by using ICT and AI tools. Little bit AI tools I will introduce today with practical session. The first topic is introduction to research. Here I am going to cover a small definition of research. What is the purpose of research and what are the types of research everybody knows, and they may be basic, applied, experimental, descriptive, etc. Essential research skills like critical thinking, analytical skills, and data literacy, etc. Then structured research. Every researcher must follow the structured research, defining structured research, importance and benefits of structured research, steps involved in structured research, tool. What are the tools for structuring research? Trello, Asana, Notion. Now today, I am going to demonstrate Trello, Asana, Notion practicals. Then third topic, research questions. You need to formulate the problem statement. Okay. So you need to identify uh, research questions. Okay. So here are techniques for identifying research topics. AI-based tools like Iris.ai and ChatGPT and Gemini, Bard, and criteria for selecting a research topic and formulating clear and researchable questions. Then fourth topic is planning and efforts required for research planning and scheduling, creating a research plan, project management software like Monday.com, Microsoft project, time management and scheduling techniques, milestones and deliverables, Gantt charts and Kanban boards. So then sixth topic is, one second. So here I'm using something. Research methodology types. What type of research methodology we are using? Qualitative research, quantitative research. In qualitative research, what are the tools are available? NVO, Atlas.ti for qualitative data analysis. Quantitative research, we have SPSS and SAS, statistical package for social sciences, and software analysis software. So I mean structured analysis software or statistical analysis software, SAS, and R is a visualization programming language, just like a MATLAB, and Python for statistical analysis, and like mixed methods research using software like DDoS, etc. Then data analysis and hypothesis testing. We have various data analysis tools like IBM SPSS, SAS, Minitab, Hadoop, Spark, R, MATLAB, etc. See, these many tools for data analysis and hypothesis testing, and formulating hypothesis. We have a statistical testing methods like JMP, Stata, Python libraries like SciPy, Scientific Python. So various tools I am going to demonstrate today. And ninth one is ethical issues in research. So here I am covering what is plagiarism. In plagiarism, types like collusion, ghosting, falsification, Turnitin. See, what are the types of plagiarism? We have collusion, we have ghosting, we have falsification, etc. In order to find out plagiarism, we are using Turnitin software, iAuthenticate software for plagiarism checking, and professional and research ethics, then ethical approval process, and online submission platforms for IRB or ethics committees, etc. The 10th topic today I would like to explain research metrics and impact. So what are the research metrics? Being a researcher, you need to know how do I can register and showcase my publications by using Google Scholar. When do I can say you are a quality researcher? By using Google Scholar, by using Google Scholar and Scopus and impact factor journals, citation index, H index, I10 index, then I can say you are a quality researcher in the field of research. So you have to create IDs in various professional societies like IEEE and ResearchGate, Publons for tracking impact. And you can check your Google Scholar citations, Scopus ID, publications, Web of Science, SCI journals, and various factors you can find out. It improves and increase your, you are a quality researcher by using this impact factor journals. Today I am going to demonstrate how do we can calculate impact factor and citation index, H index, and I10 index. How a quality researcher will get, and he is accumulating all sort of research metrics and impact in the society. Then you can see the 11th topic, evaluation and validation metrics. Once you have completed successful research experimentation, how do you can justify whether your experiment is correct or not? By using evaluation and validation metrics, I can justify with the mathematical modeling, with the mathematical relationship between one variable to another variable. I can justify this model, this experiment is correct. So by using methods of evaluating research, validation techniques, peer review and replication studies, open science framework, etc. Then my main intention today's topic is writing and presenting research proposals and thesis and report writing. There is a website. So suppose you have joined PhD in this year, how do you can plan for 3 years? There is a website. It can decide first 6 months you have to do the literature review and survey, and the next 6 months you need to collect the data analysis or tools collection, technique searching. Next 6 months you need to do experimentation. Next 6 months you need to write journals and attending conferences and publishing papers. Then in 6 months you are allocating time for writing a thesis. Next 6 months for you are waiting for reviewers' comments. Then finally presentation. So PhD thesis by using LaTeX report writing tools like documentation tools like LaTeX, very good tool, and Overleaf for online LaTeX collaboration. Easily you can draft your document with the help of formulas, equations, etc. And you can do referencing and paraphrasing. There are various tools are available like EndNote, Reference Manager, BibTeX, etc. And writing conferences and journal papers by using Grammarly, Hemingway for language and style, choosing appropriate conferences and journals, and journal finder tools like Elsevier Journal Finder, Springer's Journal Suggester, and InderScience, IEEE, ACM, and few more quality journals like Nature Journal. So that is a dream for every researcher. I want to publish my journal in Nature. It's a dream. It's a dream and the highest goal for a researcher. And the next 13th topic, if you see, writing research proposals and collaborative research. And there are various elements of research proposal strategies for collaborative research. Collaboration platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams you can use for research collaboration, and examples for current R&D projects, research, etc. Then what are the funding agencies for research? Once you are ready with your proposal, you can have fair chances to get your proposal acceptance in central organizations like DST, Department of Science and Technology, DIT, Department of Information Technology like ICSSR, University Grants Commission, AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, etc. So, but before that, you need to be ready with your project proposal. I'll explain what are the project proposal contents, how to write easily research proposal, etc. Then writing grant applications, grant writing software like Pivot RP, there is a tool. So even ChatGPT, even Bard, Gemini Bard AIP, it give template of each agency template it is providing for us. We can use it template, then you can go for your own elaboration, writing research proposal on your own domain. Then research professionals, budget planning and management. Sir, I don't know how much fund I would like to ask for this research grant. So you can use tools like Pivot RP, ChatGPT, and one more is Bard AI, etc. And for budget planning and time management also for 3 years. I'm writing research proposal for 3 years. How do I can plan it? First year, what I have to do? Second year, what is my plan? Third year, what is my plan? So these tools will help you what to do in the research field. And the 15th practical approach. See, whenever I am demonstrating and conducting physical workshops, I'm using various practical sessions on each topic. See, I have listed 16 topics. For each topic, I have a practical demonstration today. If you are having a laptop or system, you can directly use the links which I'm going to provide during the presentation. So mind mapping for research, why I'm using this mind mapping? For connecting various jargons and terminology for particular domain. Suppose you are doing weather forecasting. What are the terminology you need to gather? What are the tools, techniques, and methods, procedure, data, etc. Then you need to suppose, sir, in olden days, what we have to do with the students. For my MTech and PhD students, I'm giving assignment like take a chart and develop a mind map for your own domain and explore your knowledge and explore on various terminology and jargon of your own domain. Find the tools, techniques, methods, data sets, etc. by using MindMeister and XMind. There are various tools are available. MindMeister and XMind, these are the tools are helping us to develop mind mapping practical sessions. Okay. So there are various applications in research planning and organization. The last topic is research methodology with the laboratory part, practical exercises and simulations. So virtual labs and simulation softwares, we can use Labster. Directly you can go for a Labster. in order to perform your practical experimentation and simulation. If you are a computer graduate or computer faculty or ECE, EEE, you can use Google Colab is there. How many of you know Google Colab? So Google has given free access environment. Suppose, sir, I don't have a very good hard disk and very good computing power. How do I can simulate my results with the help with a huge volume of data? My system unable to process such kind of application. So there is a solution called Google Colab. So Google given free of cost, free of cost, you can upload your data set in that Google Colab. Then you can simulate your results. You can write your own program. That Google Collaboratory supports different programming languages like R, Python, MATLAB, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, etc. Then, sir, I don't know programming language, no problem. Then go for direct Labsters for simulating your data, MATLAB Simulink, and use various softwares tools in research methodology, and followed by the hands-on training session. So this is my agenda today. Okay, 3-hour session. Please be patient. Any doubts, please post in the chat box. Respected Muralidhar Reddy sir is going to read that comment, that question. I am going to give you wherever you are getting doubt, whenever you are getting doubt, please ask me. No hesitation, because we need to grow in research field. If you are growing research field, your organization will grow. If your organization grows, your state will grow. Your state grows in research, the country will grow. Why America is growing like that? Because of research. Research is the main pillar. All very good researchers are doing tremendous, and they are finding innovative applications and giving the solutions for all over the world. Not only America, like Germany, Japan, and USA. These are the countries, or even China. They are doing their own research and exploring various kinds of IT technologies. Okay, so with this one, my contents, today's content, I'm briefing everything. I think these 16 topics everybody knows, but I'm reminding, just a briefing, that's all. I'm enriching because you are already very good, you are a qualitative researcher, but I'm boosting a little bit knowledge related to AI and ICT tools. I'm incorporating into your skills. Then you are growing in the research field. That is my intention today. 1 second. And any questions so far? Muralidhar Reddy sir, any questions with them, please let them ask, sir, please.
So participant, just you can, any questions you can raise or put it in chat box. Okay.
Yeah, please ask me directly, no problem.
Yeah, you can ask directly also.
See, I have explained 16 topics. Any topic missed in research methodology, please let me know. My dear participants, do you have any queries related to 16 topics? Please ask me. No hesitation. If you don't have any queries, can I move?
Yes, sir, you can continue, I think.
Yeah. So everybody knows, just I'm briefing once again. So, sir, I'm attending today's research, enriching research knowledge. See, research means search for new knowledge. That is from, it is a movement from knowledge, or it is a movement from known to unknown or unknown to known. That is called research. So according to Earl Robert Beebe, he has given a beautiful definition. It is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. That is called research. There are many genius like Redmond and Mori. He has given his own definition of research. Research compromises like redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, carefully testing conclusions to determine whether they fit in the formulation of hypothesis by Clifford Woody. So, see, research is a formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. Without purpose, you are not doing any research. Why you are doing PhD, Doctor of Philosophy? You are finding something that something should be useful for the society. According to Zora Neale Hudson, he has given research is a formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. Then, see how many of you doing PhD. For them, I am giving a hint. See, why research for PhD? See here, the answer is PhD. P for patience, P for patience, and H for hard work, and D for dedication. Okay, so how much percentages we need to get it through this research? 60% of research we are getting through contacts like workshops, conferences, seminars, symposiums, etc. And 20% of you are doing research, 20% is documentation. This is my own analysis I have given. You in your mind, you are having, sir, 50% contacts, 25% research I am doing, and 25% documentation. That is also well and good, no problem. But by my experience, by using my experience, I am giving these percentages. So research, there is no one best way for undertaking all research. No research without action, no action without research. Okay, keep in mind. So the practicals, introduction to research. Sir, I'm a beginner of research. So there are online courses on research methods, and you can have Coursera and edX and NPTEL. There are various courses on understanding research methods. One URL I am clicking, Coursera. You just go to Coursera here, understanding research methods in your field. So you can join, okay, you can join in this Coursera. So one second. So here join for free in the right side. My screen is visible, sir. Muralidhar, sir. Hello. Please
Yes, sir.
respond. Anyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Visible.
Join, right side, join for free. Understanding research methods. So enroll for free. June 5th starts today. Okay. So how many participants and how many students are joined here? See, 3,33,917 already enrolled. Okay. So 4 hours to complete. Flexible schedule is there. So instructors are Dr. J. Simone Rofe, SOAS University of London. They are explaining understanding research methods. Please go through it, enroll it, and 5 hours you can complete it. What type of research method is suitable for your research, you can find out. Okay, and earn a career certificate. After completion of this 5 hours, you are getting a certificate from them. There are 4 modules in this course. The first activity one, what is research and what makes a good research question? That is 1 hour. Then activity 2, what is a literature review and why? Do we need to do one? Yes, it is also 1 hour course. Why are planning and management skills important for research? Then that is for 1 hour course. How do you know you have been a good researcher at the end of a project? See, 5 hours course. So you can join. See, there are various courses: research, data management, sharing, research for impact, and how to write, publish a scientific mm, see research methodologies. So why people choose Coursera for their career? That you can see, go through it all these. So there is a one small uh, uh, understanding of research methods. You can join. It is a free of. It is a free of cost. You will get it one certificate. Join for free. Okay. Then I'm moving to next topic. So everybody knows the research. So it is a particular topic you are taking, and you are doing investigation by collecting the data, compilation of the data, presentation of the data, and interpretation of relevant details. Or data is called research management. And what is the scope of research? Based on the academic objectives, based on utilization objectives, we are defining our scope of research. And research methodology consists of definition of research, scope of research, objects of research, and resource utilization, utility of research, limitations of research, etc. Simply, you can remember research methodology consists of lots U. See, very simple shortcut form I am giving. How do you can remember? How do you can do best research? First, you need to find out the limitations of research. Any problem, any paper, any topic. First, you need to find out the limitations of the research. That means challenges of the research topic. That means issues of the research problem. So then objectives you need to find out. Then what are the resource utilization unit, software and hardware resource utilization. Then you can go for scope of research, then utility of research. Simply you can remember lots U. So in limitations, what you need to see by using conclusion. If you read conclusion, there is a future work is presented. You can take that one, you can start your research. By using a conclusion, by using observation, and by suggestions and sample size. You can start with your research with limitation only. By reading conclusion, by observing the data, by suggesting by the author, and sample size of the data. Then what are the objects of research? There are 5 objects like decision-making objective, project objective, policy objective, product and development objective, innovation objective, etc. Then there are 5 major areas. There are 5 major areas of resource utilization, usually software and hardware utilization. You are in so-and-so college as employee. How do you can do resource? You are utilizing the resources. There are 5 major areas like investment problems, pricing problems, and allocation problems, and human resource problems. Then everybody knows definition of research: search for new knowledge. Okay. Then you can see the scope of research depends on academic objectives and utilization objectives. You can define your own scope of objective. Utility of research based on the 4 types of utility of research, like research is an aid to decision making. Research provides a basis for innovation. Research identifies problem areas. Research is an aid to forecasting. So these all things everybody knows. And if you see different types of research with the demonstration. Now I'm going to show you some practicals. See, usually we have various, maybe first day, second day, you might got very good knowledge on research methodology, research types. See, broadly we are classifying into 6 types. First one is a descriptive research. The objective of descriptive, to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon. Then example, what is the example you are taking for under descriptive research? Conducting a survey to gather data on the average time spent on social media by teenagers. See, one example, a teenager is spending so much time on social media. He is using Facebook, he is using WhatsApp, he is using LinkedIn, using Instagram. So one best example for descriptive research, conducting a survey we are gathering the data on average time spent on social media by teenagers. So how do I can demonstrate for this descriptive research? Design a questionnaire. We are formulating questions, then select a sample population, example high school students, then collect and analyze data using statistical tools like SPSS and SAS, etc. Okay, I'll show you practicals after completion of the sixth topic. Sixth type of research. Experimental research. The objective of experimental research to determine causality of manipulating one variable to see its effect on another variable. We are using especially in predicting any type of topic, weather forecasting prediction. By using past data, we are predicting future value. That means there are 10 dependent variables, 10 independent variable and one dependent variable. We are calculating correlation by using linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression. We are performing prediction. So demonstration, set up different groups of plants, each with a different type of fertilizer, control all other variables like light, water, soil, measure plant growth over time and analyze results. Then this is experimental results. Then the third one is correlation research. The objective is to determine the relationship between two variables, dependent variable and independent variable. Example, investigating the relationship between study time and academic performance. Practical demonstration, collect data on students' study hours and their grades. So I'll show you practical demonstration in this one. So linear regression by using, suppose student studies 4 hours, is securing 70 marks. If he studies 5 hours, he is getting 80 marks. If he is studying per day 6 hours, he is getting 90 above percentage. Use statistical analysis, example Pearson correlation, to find the correlation coefficient, interpret the strength and the direction of the relationship. This is called correlation research. Next one. See, you can see this is a qualitative research. What is the objective of qualitative? To understand concepts, thoughts, ideas, innovation, or experiences through detailed non-numerical data. Example, conducting interviews with help of data collection tools like through interviews, observation. We are exploring patient experiences in a hospital. Example. How do you can do practical demonstration? Develop open-ended interview questions and conduct interviews with a sample of patients and transcribe and analyze the responses using a thematic analysis. All MBA students used to do. And usually, then quantitative research, huge volume of data. The objective is to quantify data and generalize results from a sample to the population. Then example, we are measuring the effectiveness of a new drug through a clinical trial. So how to do demonstration for this quantitative research? Design a randomized controlled trial, recruit participants and randomly assign them to treatment and control groups. Collect and analyze numerical data using statistical methods like linear, non-linear, logistic regressions. So And see, mixed methods research. The last one is, sir, I'm using mixed method. Objective is to combine qualitative and quantitative research methods to provide a comprehensive analysis. Example, studying the impact of a new teaching method using both the test scores, that is quantitative, and student feedback, that is qualitative. So here we are combining both the qualitative and the quantitative research methods. That's why it is called a mixed method. How do you can do practical demonstration? Collect test scores before and after the implementation of the teaching method. Conduct focus groups, group discussions with students. Analyze quantitative data statistically and qualitative data thematically. Then integrate the findings. That is the way we are doing mixed method type. How do you can remember these types of research very easily? DQ square cafe. See, CA square, FE square. How many types are there? 9 types of research. So research is defined as a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or problem using scientific methods. So I have explained already descriptive research, quantitative research, qualitative research, conceptual research, applied research, analytical research in detail. Broadly, I have explained 6 types. In detail, we have a few more types like applied research, analytical research, fundamental research and experimental research and empirical research. See, if you see the short form DQ square, CA square, FE square. So DQ cafe, I used to use short form to remember these 9 types so that they can write exam very well. So these are the 9 types. No need to explain all these things because you are expert already last 2 days. So descriptive research I have explained already, and quantitative research, what is a huge volume of data we are taking as a input. Then qualitative research, how quality of data you are performing and characteristics. Conceptual research, what type of theoretical and nature you are using. Applied research is also called as action research. And sir, tell me.
మళ్ళీ zip చేసి పెడతాను సార్.
Analytical
Sir.
research. Okay. So to make crucial decisions. Fundamental research, we can call it as a pure research. Then you can see the 8th type, experimental research. So based on the experiments, we are generating the results. Then empirical research depends on the mathematical observations and solutions and through experiments. So now we can see the practical demonstration, types of demonstration. So here you can explore more details on how to do a types of research. Sir, I am doing research, but I don't know my research comes under which type. You can go through this URL. At least you come to know what type of research you are doing. See here, www.c. I will provide this PPT so that you will get many URLs directly whenever, wherever you are getting doubt, you can use it. So types of demonstration, see, we have a classroom experiments, classroom surveys, data analysis, simulations. Okay. So various types of experiments. Why use interactive lecture demonstration? Okay. So this URL will take you into the deep what type of research we are using and what is the purpose of our research method is going to analyze. So there are various experiments, teaching methods are there, classroom experiments, classroom response systems, context rich problems, cooperative learning, documented problem solving, then interactive lecture demonstrations. Okay. So what are interactive lecture demonstration, types of demonstration. See here, why use interactive lecture demonstration? How to use interactive lecture demonstration? Interactive lecture demonstration in economics. Examples for teaching with demonstration. References and resources. Examples of teaching with demonstrations. Okay, interdisciplinary approaches to teaching. Join in-time teaching, quantitative writing, service learning, teaching with simulations, teaching with the spreadsheets, teaching with the case method, teaching with the team-based learning, undergraduate research learning, using media to enhance learning. What type of your research comes under, you can use this URL. Then you can use one more, research methods explained with examples. See, if you have started your PhD, it gives us a comprehensive guide on various types of research, including exploratory analysis, descriptive analysis, explanatory analysis, and correlation research. So if you use this URL, it provides practical examples and a detailed explanation of each type. You can click this URL, discover PhDs. See, my screen is visible. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is community blog. Here, see here, discoverphds.com. It is going to explain research methods explained with examples. Okay. So types of research explained with examples. What type of research you are doing? Are you doing experimental research? Classification of types of research like according to its purpose, and theoretical research, applied research. I have explained already. In applied research, we have technological applied research, scientific applied research, and see, according to your depth of scope. So you can use exploratory research, here descriptive research, explanatory research, and correlation research. According to the type of data, you need to use qualitative research and quantitative research. Okay. So according to the degree of manipulation of variables, you need to choose what type of experimental research and non-experimental research. See, some PhDs, they are not doing any research, but they are completing their PhD. That comes under non-experimental research, and quasi-experimental research. Then according to the type of inference. So here you can use deductive investigation, inductive research, hypothetical deductive investigation. Okay. And according to the time in which it is carried out. So longitudinal study, also referred to as a diachronic research. So cross-sectional study, that is synchronous research. So depends on your research. According to the sources of information, what you have to choose, whether you are doing primary research and secondary research. See here, is collecting the samples from crop. Okay. So secondary research, according to how the data is obtained, whether you are doing documentary, cabinet, field research from laboratory, mixed method documentary, field and laboratory, what type of research you are doing. So if you go through this URL, you come to know how to do your research. Discover PhDs. See here, the URL comes under how to do practical demonstration. Okay. So this is research methods explained with the examples. Then next one is some doubt, sir. Somebody is asking doubt.
Sir,
Yeah.
sorry, sir. In the chat,
Yeah.
there is a question.
Yes, sir.
I am in initial stage in research. In initial stage, how we can find problem statement and our basic steps to find out the problem.
Okay. Okay. What is his name? Harshendra. Okay. Give me your topic now. I'll show you your problem statement. I will send you right away. Give me your research topic. Broadly, you can unmute and you can tell me the broad idea. Okay, I'm taking weather forecasting one example. If he's not able to give, I'm taking one example by using, 1 second. See, you can use Chat GPT. Okay.
Can you take example of mutual fund investment?
Yeah, see. Yeah. So your topic is mutual
Fund.
investment. Mutual fund investment. Okay. So that is a very good problem. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, now you are a beginner of this research, but you don't know how to formulate the problem. So first, I want to find out what is the problems. Problems are current problems. So provide one example. I'm giving. Provide current issues or challenges or limitations for this topic. What is the topic? How do you know? I think everybody knows how to log in Chat GPT. By using Gmail, you can do. So your topic is mutual fund. Okay, investment. This is the topic. In one sentence only. In one sentence. Otherwise, it will give the more information. Provide current issues or challenges or limitations for this topic. Mutual fund investment in one sentence. Now, see, it is going to give you, see, current challenges in mutual fund investment include market volatility, management fees, lack of transparency in fund operations, and the need for extensive research to choose the right funds. So these are the challenges I got it. I think, madam, mutual fund investment, this is the topic you have given. How many, how many challenges it has given? See here, the first challenge is market volatility. Every time it is changing. Volatility means not permanent. Okay. Then management fees. Then lack of transparency in fund operations. The need for extensive research to choose the right funds. Now, I got challenges. Now, how do I can formulate? See now, provide by using AI tools, simplify. I'm simplifying your research problem. Provide one paragraph about, okay, about problem statement. Sir, my screen is visible. Problem statement of,
Yes, sir. Visible. Yeah.
Problem statement of this statement, whatever it is generated. So I'm copying. So I'm using, see, provide one paragraph about problem statement of current challenges in mutual fund investment include. See, it is going to provide one paragraph. So I'm sending this one paragraph to in chat box. Madam, you need to read and explain what is the problem statement right now, because you have given the problem statement. You have given the topic. Now I am giving the problem statement for your topic. Please read and explain to everyone. One minute in the chat box it is there. Please read. What is your name?
Tatarao, sir.
Yeah, please read the problem statement. Whether it is given correct or not, you need to check and verify. Then again, you need to remodify the problem statement. Please read, madam, whether it is given correct problem statement or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please read loudly.
The problem statement for current challenges in mutual fund investment encompasses several critical issues. Market volatility can lead to unpredictable returns, making it
Correct.
difficult for investors to achieve consistent growth. High management fees can erode overall gains, diminishing the value of long-term investments. A lack of
Correct.
transparency in fund operations can obscure the
True.
risk and performance metrics, leaving investors uncertain about the safety and potential of their investments. Additionally,
Correct.
the necessity for extensive research to identify suitable funds places a significant burden on investors who may lack the time, expertise, or resources to make well informed decisions, ultimately impacting their financial goals and security. So, the first statement, we say the problem statement for current challenges. Now,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
market volatility is yesterday due to
Correct.
the elections results. The
Correct.
market was down.
Correct. Correct.
In fact,
Correct.
it
Correct.
was
Correct.
hugely impacted, and today the market is 555 points up. So this has led to unpredictable returns, which is, many of the investors, they try to take the money, they redeem the investments when the market is down. Actually, they need to invest when the market is down because they invest at a cheaper price rather than panicking when the market goes down. And today the market is high. So if somebody would have invested yesterday, they would have made huge money.
Correct.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, very good explanation, madam. Very good explanation. This is one right now. This is the current problem. Hats off to madam. She has taken latest problem. And now I'm asking because I don't know these challenges, how to avoid it. Being a researcher, you need to do literature survey and you need to find the solutions for sort of problems. Now I'm taking AI help. I want to know. So I'm asking, provide a proposed solution. Provide proposed solution for the above limitations. For the above limitations. Okay. Provide solution for the above limitations using latest technologies. Using latest technologies. So provide in one sentence. I don't want to read entire paragraph. Now see, now it is giving the solution, leveraging artificial intelligence for personalized fund recommendations, blockchain for enhanced transparency, and robo advisors for efficient, low-cost management can address the challenges of market volatility, high fees, lack of transparency, and the need for extensive research in mutual fund investments. See, now I got the solution, some idea I got it. Because even though I'm a computer science background, but I'm not a financial background or a management business administrative background, but I'm understanding, okay, there is a solution called artificial intelligence for personalized fund recommendation I can use. And I can use blockchain for enhanced transparency and robo advisors for efficient, low-cost management can address the challenges of market volatility, high fees, lack of transparency, and the need for extensive research in mutual fund investments. So, Mr. Who is his name actually? The question.
Madam.
Harshendra, no. Actually, Harshendra asked this question.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
do we can find the problem statement? Now see, I have given problem statement, Harshendra. This is the way you can choose your research field topic. First narrow it. First you need to take broad research topic, then come down into narrow research, then find the limitations, observation, conclusion of your research. Then first you need to find the challenges of your research field. Then you can find the solutions. What are the current existing system with the drawbacks? And if you are proposing a new technology, what are the advantages you are getting? All those things you put into one of the paragraph, it becomes a problem statement. Harshendra, is it clear? So by using at least AI tool, you will get 50% idea. Then you need to use your human intelligence This is artificial intelligence. Now you can use your human intelligence, incorporate your ideas into the problem statement and find better solutions. Okay. Now I am moving to next concept. So this one we have completed, and we have next one is practical research method definition and types and examples. Research methods and definitions and types and examples. Okay. And see here, Scriber provides a detailed explanation and examples of different research methods, including qualitative, quantitative, experimental, and non-experimental research. It also covers methods for data collection and analysis. You can see, if you click this URL, you can go to here, see, research methods and definition and types and examples. This URL gives you very good knowledge. Okay, very good knowledge on research methods. What type of research method you are using? Qualitative, quantitative. See, we have first collect the data, then research questions, answer your research questions like whether it will fall into the qualitative, quantitative research, whether it is primary or secondary research, descriptive or experimental research. Then analyze the data. Okay, so table of, see, what are the methods for collecting the data? There are various methods. Okay, so if you see, methods for collecting the data, we have various methods. There is a YouTube. If you want, you can listen. So qualitative, quantitative data, there are data collection tools are available. Then primary, secondary research, what are the advantages and disadvantages? Descriptive and experimental data, what are the pros and cons of the data? And try for free, this is one more URL. Like that, we can do experimental research, survey related research, interviews are focus of how do you can collect the data. Say through interviews, focus the groups, observation, we can collect the data, literature, review, it is a secondary, primary, secondary. What type of qualitative, quantitative? Okay, so methods for analyzing data, whether it is qualitative analysis methods, okay, and quantitative analysis methods. There is a small example and a demonstration for data analysis methods by using various strategies. Then you can see the research methods for analyzing data. Statistical analysis, it comes under quantitative. Meta-analysis, quantitative. Thematic analysis, qualitative. Content analysis, either, both. Then you can see, likewise, there are various types of methods you can find out in detail in this one. See here, more interesting articles are presented here. So between subjects design, cluster sampling, confounding variables, construct validity, content analysis, control groups and treatment groups, control variables, correlation. So these are the various examples are there. If you go through how to write literature review, how do you incorporate interview into a dissertation, how do thematic analysis we can do, step-by-step procedure is there. How to write a strong hypothesis. By using this URL, you can do many things, my dear friends, my dear colleagues. See here, how to write strong hypothesis. Here, the sample data is there. Sample experimentation is there. How to write strong hypothesis, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and independent and dependent variable, inductive reasoning, inductive and deductive research approach, like internal validity in research, internal and external validity, longitudinal study, mediator and moderator variables, mixed method research, multidisciplinary sampling, naturalistic observation, and operationals, a guide with examples, population versus sample, primary research. See, so many methods. You can't imagine approximately 99 methods are there. What is quantitative research, qualitative research, okay, observation, qualitative observation, probability sampling, all statistical related answers you will get it. Any other questions? Yes. So, if you are having any queries, please post in the chat box so that I can interact. Next. So, research methodology, these are the 5 steps you can use: identification of problems, collection of the data, analysis, dissemination, and use of information. And next, no need to explain all these things. Wherever practicals are there, I am going to handle. So 9 steps you need to follow: components of research, purpose of research, research questions, assumptions, sampling methods, data collection methods, research methods, quality criteria, data analysis, report writing, etc. So this is a research design. Design is the framework. Okay, keep in mind. For every research, you need to draw the diagram. You need to draw the architecture. That's why you need to give importance for research design. Is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher. A simple formula, CD it. So there is a shortcut for my students. I used to give research design types, CD it. C stands for correlational research design, and D stands for descriptive research design, experimental research design, explanatory research design, diagnostic research design. So each one again I have explained with elements of research design, purpose, techniques, methodology, objections. These are the elements. Okay, timeline, measurement, analysis method, etc. Then process of research, what type of process you are following. So process means in research especially, it involves identifying a problem, locating a problem, assessing the problem, and analyzing the information. You need to support your research question and then developing and expressing your ideas. So there are 3 types of process of research. PST, I am giving short form: primary stage, secondary stage, and tertiary stage. So, okay, your process, you can start with the primary stage. Okay, so you need to follow these steps: problem statement, reviewing literature, and setting research questions and objectives and hypotheses, choosing the study design, deciding on the sample design, collecting the data, processing, analyzing data, writing report. So these are the problem statement. Problem statement, how to you can develop a problem statement. Okay. So by using what is the research problem you aim to solve, and what is a central research question, what do you want, find out. What will be, so these are the questions you need to frame yourself and preparing for a problem statement. What will we know after completion of your research work that we did not know before? What is novel? Why does it matter? Why should someone care about this research? Okay. So, okay. So there are essential components I have explained already. So high hanging fruit. See, trees and forest concept, very interesting. Uh, in forest, there are trees, and big or small, density varies, big or small. So view the forest could alter change. Do not lose sight of the forest. You need to find the solution. See, low hanging and high hanging fruits. See, low hanging fruits means, suppose you are doing research in basic level. See, why?
Sir, screen is not changing. You are in the process of research. Same thing or any other slide?
No.
Now we are
Now
in the
see,
screen. Yes,
yeah.
now it is changed. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, sir. So low hanging and see why I am what is the slide right now, sir? Low hanging and high hanging fruits.
Low
Is
hanging
it
and high
correct?
hanging. Yes, correct.
Correct. See, before this topic, before that slide, there is a concept called trees and forest. Trees and forest. Keep in mind, you know forest, you know trees. Okay. Just I'm giving one idea how to choose a problem statement. A low hanging and a high hanging fruits is nothing but, see, if you are doing a basic research, that means easily you can pluck the fruits from the low hanging fruits. If you want to uh, uh, pluck the fruit, high hanging fruits means the top one, so it is a big challenge for you. So that means low means easy and early you are doing research, and if you are climbing, you are getting moderate fruits. If you are high, hard, so that time, that means high hanging fruits means more challenge oriented problems if you are taking. That research will lead into the market, and you are growing in the research fraternity. So go for high hanging fruits. Don't go for low hanging fruits because the limitations are very easy. You can solve by yourself very easy. But if you go for high hanging fruits, you can solve problems very tough. Then it leads to innovative knowledge. That is the concept of trees and fruits. So types of research, we have there are three types of research we can do efforts, like quality research, quantity research, and onion research. You might not heard about onion research. How it look like onion research? See here, each layer by layer, you need to go through it, your problem statement. Okay, first see, in the onion, data collection and data analysis. Next level, cross-sectional longitudinal. Next level, mono method, mixed methods and multi methods. Next level, experiment, survey, case study, action, and grounded theory, and ethnography, and archival research. Next level, deductive and inductive. Next level, positive, realism, interpretivism, objectivism, subjectivism, pragmatism, functionalist, interpretive.
Okay.
See, this is called onion research. It provides an effective progression through which a research methodology can be designed. This is one type of onion research. Then everybody knows research methods. Okay, I'm skipping these slides because everybody knows all the theory concept. Then you can see research approach and research plan schedule. See, one of the student, what is the name? He asked me the question. What is his name, sir? I forgot.
Harichandrana?
Harichandra. See,
Harichandra.
you can plan for your research. If you go to this URL, your PhD, you are a beginner of researcher. If you click this URL, you come to know how to do your research dissertation calculation. Very, very interesting slide. Okay, can anyone try this? See, 1 second. That slide, you can take this URL. Hello, my dear friends, I'm giving this URL in chat box. You can try. If you are a beginner, you can go to this URL. It will calculate. See, now I'm clicking that URL. See, this is a, see, this is a assignment calculator, University of Minnesota, and like dissertation calculation also there. Okay. That URL right now, dissertation timeline calculator post. So if you click that URL, so you can see here postgraduate forum. So if you use, see dissertation calculation. So suppose, sir, I would like to do my research within uh, 3 years.
Sir,
How
paste
do you
the
can?
URL, sir. You have
Yeah,
pasted.
I have shared in the chat box, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, please use, my dear participants. 1 or 2 participants are there. Please click that URL and see the desert calculation. How many years? If you want to see, you will get it.
Sir, paste it, sir. I think it is not seen. Sorry, sir.
Once again, I am sharing,
Yeah,
sir.
share it, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I have shared. See, sir. I have shared. So, 1 second, sir. So that URL is right now.
It is not seen in the group. Maybe you might have selected the only one participant. So meeting group chat is not seen.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
no, sir. Direct message. See, Ashoka
Direct
once.
message. Okay.
Yeah, I have given, sir.
So participants are able to see.
Participants.
Yeah.
See, 3 times I have given, sir. Actually, so many are there. Sujata and Vizi, Parthasarathi.
Somebody can
And
confirm whether link is available in chat.
Yes, sir.
You
No,
can see
sir.
it is visible.
visible. Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Not visible, sir.
Oh, what is the problem? I'm sharing in the chat box, madam.
No, selection group chat. If we select means it will display to all. Maybe.
Sir, not present in your chat box, sir, but screen is visible. The URL is not pasted in the chat box.
In the chat box, I have pasted, madam. See, now my screen is visible.
Sir, may be
Ah.
possible you have selected either Ashok Engineering College, a host or co-host. Select their meeting group chat. 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Section of 2.
Select.
That is the reason.
Select meeting group chat. Yeah.
Yeah, group
Okay,
chat.
meeting. Yes, madam. In the it is 1 second. Chart box is there. I have selected.
Sir, in the two is there. There you select from the drop down meeting group chat.
First one, meeting group chat.
Yeah, first one.
It
Then
is
it
not
will
showing.
be, it is visible to all.
Yeah, now share.
Now it is coming, sir. It is direct message. It is showing, sir.
Meeting group chat. Sir, find whether it is meeting group chat or not.
Sir, all else you put it in my this thing WhatsApp, sir. I will share it. No problem. We'll continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Muralidhar sir, where is? No, I have shared in the group chat only, sir.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Continue,
So
sir, yeah.
this URL gives us, we are running short time because I want to cover many things are there. So this will gives us a desert calculation. If you choose 3 years, it will give you 3 years according to your plan of doing research and which month what you have to do, like that. All the information will be available. Then you can see the research process steps. Everybody knows. We need to identify broad area, literature survey abstract. You need to select the supervisor, proposal work software. So these are the steps everybody knows. This is one more model called fish model. It is also old now. Nobody uses. So I'm skipping this one also. No problem. And see, literature survey are 3 types. See, primary literature survey, what you have to do, reports and theses and conferences, you need to collect the data. Then secondary literature, books and journals. Then tertiary literature, indexes, abstracts and bibliography. So these are the, you need to collect minimum 100 to 300 papers from reputed journals like IEEE, ACM, Springer, Elsevier, and Scopus, SCI, and Nature journals, etc. Okay, this is the way we can collect the data. Then there are how to read a paper according to Professor Keshav approach. Very popular approach. How to read a paper. See, there are, he explained, see, by seeing paper, oh, 25 pages, 30 pages, we are getting bored. That's why he is giving the steps, three-phase approach. First step, quick scan. First, you need to see the paper. In quick scan, what we are doing, whether you need to read this paper any further. Second point, reading with a greater detailed reading care, reviewer choice. So this is a three-phase approach. Okay. Then see in first phase what we have to do. So first pass what we have to do, read the title, abstract and introduction. Then try to answer the following 5 C's. Once completed, in first pass only read the conclusion, glance over the references. So after completion of this one, go for it, try to answer the following 5 C's like category, which category it comes under, context, correctness, contributions, and clarity. Okay, that is according to Professor Keshav. Then second and third pass, read the whole paper, but with the non-uniform emphasis. Okay, then identify papers from a reference list and make your reading list. Learn good presentation and writing skills. These are the second and third pass you need to do. Okay. Then research methodology and types we have already seen. Various research methodology types we have seen. Okay. So research methodology are 3 types. We have already seen qualitative, quantitative, onion research I have explained. Okay. Then research this. So for data analysis candidates, you can choose. There are various problems are involved in this classification, graphical descriptive, testing, model data types, variables by using IBM SPSS, SAS, Minitab, Hadoop, Spark tool, etc. Okay. Then hypothesis based on theory propositions and used to test the theory. You have a database of your data and you are asking the question to database whether it is retrieving correct or not. That is called hypothesis. Whether the formulated question is getting answer from the database or not. I'm explaining related to computer science. Try to understand. Hypothesis. Why we are doing hypothesis testing? Process of making an observation, forming a question based on the information that you have gleaned, and then attempting to solve that problem using the scientific method. Okay. Next one. See, I have explained what is meant by plagiarism and how many types are there. Plagiarism is the academic misconduct or cheating or intellectual theft or not acknowledged is called plagiarism. Use your academic judgment to decide if plagiarism is indicated in what type of category. What is meant by collusion? Collusion is the performing same work by group of people is called collusion. Keep in mind. What is meant by ghosting? Ghosting is nothing but just like buying a project or thesis. Okay, that is called ghosting. Then falsification. What is meant by falsification? You are showing false results or graphs or tables, etc. That comes under falsification. Then what is meant by quoting? Quoting means use brackets, ellipses. Then what is meant by paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means statement in your own words or style that do not use same words. Then you need to do summarizing, means brief or objective account, etc. Avoid plagiarism due to quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. These three techniques you need to keep in mind to avoid the plagiarism by using quoting, by using paraphrasing, and summarizing. Then what is the meaning of, see, Scopus? Why we are going for, everybody is going for Scopus? Scopus is similar to Google Scholar, and it is the quality, meaning the quality measuring the person. We need to publish quality research articles. It is the world's largest abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed literature with the smart tools that track, analyze, and visualize research. So what is meant by citation index? It is the number of citations to all publications. See, your paper, reading somebody and citing your paper in their research work. That is called citation index. So citation index, I'm going to show you practical. Wait. So how many of you having a Google Scholar? So how to create Google Scholar? Go to, just type Google, then type Google Scholar. See here, Google Scholar citations or Google Scholar citations. Okay. So if you go to Google Scholar citations, if you are having Gmail account, you can create first Gmail account. Through Gmail account, it will come automatically. See here, Dr. Asadi, my Google Scholar index citations are cited by. So which paper getting good citations? A comparative study of face recognition with the principal component analysis and cross correlation technique. Okay, so see number of people citations 1097, H index I got it 18, I10 index I got 26. View overall, see last 10 years, 2017 onwards it is giving only 10 years. So 2023 I got highest citations 340. Now 2024 it is increasing. See number of papers. See number of papers, how many are visualizing our research. See, these all are my papers. These all are my papers. Like that, you will get it. You will get it by creating your Google Scholar registration first with the Gmail account. You will get it all your publications in your Google Scholar list. See how many papers I have so far. So the 195, 200 papers are there. So 200 papers it will collect from the various databases, and it can fetch into your Google Scholar ID. See, once you have a Google Scholar ID, that means you are a quality researcher. We can assume that you are a quality researcher. So this is one of the practical session. You can create your own account in this Google Scholar citation. So that is called citation index. I10 index is nothing but it is the number of publications with at least 10 citations. Then what is meant by H index? It is the largest number H, such that H publications have at least H citations. Then what is the meaning of H index? The H index proposed by George Hirsch in the year 2005. H index is an index that attempts to measure both the productivity and impact of the published work of a scientist or scholar. And a H index of N means the number of the N of your papers are referred by N or more papers. So that's why we can calculate H index. Now I'm going to demonstrate a practical session on impact factor, how to calculate impact factor. My dear participants, listen carefully. Impact factor of a journal is the average number of citations received per paper published in that journal during the 2 preceding years. Now see example, 2024, I am calculating impact factor. So 2024 impact factor equal to A by B, where A is a 2022 and 2023 published. 2 preceding years you need to take. Journals and cited in 2024. Then B is the total number of citations up to 2024. Minimum 3 years you need to take. Then you are getting impact factor. Then go for impact factor journals. It gives you the quality of journal. So what are the limitations of research? I have explained already. Limitations we are getting through observations, conclusions, suggestions, etc. Okay. So these are research and professional ethics. So professional ethics being academic faculty and researcher, do not copy theory, do not copy same technique, do not copy same approach, do not copy same steps for your work, do not copy same diagram tables, do not copy documentation as it is, do not use same data sets for your work, do not publish same paper for many journals and conferences. Being a researcher, you need to follow the ethics. Then professional ethics is a given assumption. You are a researcher. Sorry. Sir, my screen is visible?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is about ethics. For ethics, no compromise. You need to take a role model. You need to share and acknowledgement. You need to do acknowledgement. You need to do environment. Okay. And then types of validation techniques we have. There are various validation techniques are available. My first question, what are you trying to validate? So modes of validation, empirical validation you want, factual validation, analysis, simulations, or experimental, etc. Okay. So validation is the visual inspection and concordance with the t-test, z-test, whether our model is correct or not. So we are doing that validation metric. This is Google Scholar citation. I have shown practical. Then professional ethics. This is repeated slide. So EndNote, by using a reference manager, referencing, paraphrasing, there are various tools are available. Okay, so we have a EndNote, reference manager, BibTeX. So you can use the ChatGPT. I will show you ChatGPT. See, madam took the problem statement. What is the madam problem statement you have taken? Stock market, I mean.
Mutual fund investment, sir.
Yeah, yes. So provide, see here, provide 20 references of.
Sir, screen.
It is not sharing, sir.
Your chat GPT screen is not seen. Only PPT is seen.
Yeah, screen share. Now it is okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, provide 20 references of the problem statement is, where is the, see. So I'm asking, provide 20 references of this one with the DOI number and URLs. See, I'm asking, provide 20 references of a problem statement of current challenges in mutual fund investment, including market, see, with the DOI and URL. See now, I'm asking, it is providing all 20 references. Now see here, 20 references I'm getting. My screen is visible, sir? Hello, sir.
Yes.
My screen is, see. Yeah, see now, first, second, third, references are 20 references. Madam, I'm providing these 20 references for your research work. You can use. Okay. So with the URL and with the link also I'm providing. Okay. So these are the 20 references. 20 references you can use. Suppose I want 20 references in a IEEE format. In IEEE format. Just I'm giving hint for the above 20 references. For above the 20 references. Now see here, it is providing 20 references with IEEE. With IEEE. IEEE format, you know, IEEE format. First, author name, then title of the research topic, then where it is published journal, and volume number, and which year, issue number, volume number, and digital object index, DOI number, then URL available. See now, my screen is visible, sir.
Sir.
See, it is writing 20 references in IEEE format. So now no need to type and each and reference. Now you can use AI tools. You can develop 20 references within 1 minute. See now, I am sharing these 20 references in chat box. Madam, what is your name, madam? You have taken a beautiful problem.
Shweta Rao from Loyola College, sir.
What is your name, madam?
Shweta Rao from Loyola College, sir.
Perfect. I'm replying to your. It is not pasting all references.
Sir, can
I-
you believe the
Yeah, hello, madam. You
sir.
can check whether this URL is not there in the Google. Again, type. See, this I'm checking this one. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
checking
sir.
this
When I
one.
check the okay, sir.
Yeah, see here. See, it is coming URL where it is. Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, Outlook Money. I'm checking one more URL, Outlook Money. The mutual fund industry. Now here, this is the reference. See, it is opening. Outlook Money. This reference is correct. Why you are saying like that, madam? And one more URL. See now, my screen is visible. Science Direct. Madam, see. Hello, madam. Please listen. Fourth URL I am clicking. Fourth URL, Science, Inter Science. See now, Inter Science. So here I can find a mutual fund, mutual. See, Science Direct. That URL is presented. Okay. So you need to find out in this URL. Next one. Springer Journal. Find out this URL. See now, I'm clicking. My screen is visible, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Springer link.
Springer link.
Yes.
Here you can type that this URL. See, whatever I have just now I have downloaded. See, sixth URL. I am going to give this one in this Springer URL. I am searching whether this paper is there or not. I want to find out. See, you need to search in the journal A to Z. Okay, which area, which domain it is related to. Okay, and some URLs are coming. It's not a problem. See here, Science Direct. One more journal, Science Direct. So it is here you can search Inter Science, elsewhere journals. So likewise, some URLs are it is you need to cross check once again all the these references are correct or not. You need to check the correct way again. Okay. So now I'm moving to next topic by using this references. Sir, my screen is visible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So EndNote, Reference Manager, BibTeX, etc. And then how to write conference and journal papers, everybody knows. After completion of the literature survey, literature search, you can write, you can use a LaTeX tool. After experiment, you can write a survey paper after literature search and review. After completion of experimentation, you can go for journal and conference paper. Better you can use LaTeX and Overleaf. These are the two tools, keep in mind. So the structure of technical paper, the structure of technical title, author, everybody knows abstract, introduction, related work, and problem, idea, details, conclusion, references, acknowledgement. Then these things I have already explained. So by using reference manager, BibTeX, EndNote, we can develop. And these are the queries, research methodology laboratory. So what are the practical things we can do here? See, what are the skills needed for doing research? So I can develop, or see, I can demonstrate one practical, how to do literature survey of research, how to prepare a relevance tree of literature survey, how to prepare chart for latest trends in your domain, how to prepare abstract of your interested area. Then if you are doing data analysis, hypothesis and sampling with IBM SPSS, SAS, Minitab tool, referencing, paraphrasing, use EndNote and reference manager BibTeX. Create a research proposal of latest existing area of your domain. Case studies through mind map, brainstorming, forest and trees concept, etc. Then these are the referencing tools. EndNote, Mendeley, depends on your requirement. You can choose Jotero, BibMe, Citation Machine, Citavi, Citefast, SiteLighter, Dossier, and Receipts for Success, Ottobib. These all are reference managers. Okay. Next. So these are the reference managers. Then what is plagiarism? These things I have explained already. Okay. See, in frequency, if you are do copy paste, a clone and control C, find replace. So common types of plagiarism, these are the types of plagiarisms I have already explained.
I think we have to come for the funding, I think, sir, last topic. Research
Yes, sir.
funding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And plagiarism checker, there is a website. If you want to go for plagiarism checker, you can use this plagiarism checker. Okay. So if you click this URL, you are redirecting to plagiarism checker. Here, you can check a document, check a web page, handouts, report plagiarism. This is a URL you can check. Okay. So plagiarism checker is there. Then go for Express PDF. Suppose your document, if you want, nowadays in the Word itself, you can create a PDF form. It is not a problem. Turnitin software for plagiarism checker. We can use Turnitin, Inflip, plagiarism checker, etc. Okay. So these are the 6 methods how to avoid detect plagiarism as an English tutor. So sudden change in writing style, use of different types of fonts, unusual shifts in tenses, quotation marks and citation, use of plagiarism checker, author bio. So here are some ways avoiding plagiarism. Okay. So these are related to Turnitin software. It gives, see, once your article is submitted in Turnitin, it is giving various, see, how much plagiarism Turnitin 72%, like that 27%. And so, okay. So how to avoid the plagiarism? We have 7 steps. Okay, avoid copy paste, cite resources, use paraphrasing, use quotations, use plagiarism checker, develop your own writing skills. So that is called plagiarism. So now see, this is a LaTeX tool I have explained already. Yeah, research publications. See, research papers. So you need to browse good conferences, allconferences.com. If you click here, you will find allconferences.com. See, if you click here, see, it is redirecting to allconferences.com. See here, all conferences, still it is not coming, something problem. Okay. Now see, EDAS for submitting your research article, current R&D project research. So how to develop project research. So you need to take the real-time challenges in society, which is useful. And suppose in your area, groundwater is not good. Some fluorine is there. How to find out that fluorine water by using some testments. So how to avoid such kind of what you are writing research proposal on that water, groundwater data. You need to propose a title, then proposal abstract. You need to develop architectural diagram. You need to find out objectives, outcomes, and final requirements, then end users. Then writing research papers, I have explained already. You can choose your papers in IEEE, ACM, Springer, Elsevier, etc. Some repeated slides are there.
Sir, one question is there, Asadi garu.
Yeah, please, sir.
Can you please recommend any other AI tool other than ChatGPT to check the reference journals?
Okay. Very good question. See, I'm going to show you for that practical. See here. Yeah, there are other tools also available, madam. Just go to my screen is visible, sir. Google.com.
Yes.
Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So here you type, madam, Gemini Bard AI. Gemini Bard. You can search, madam. Here, see here, Gemini chart to supercharge your ideas. So now, same question I am giving here. I have created account. See, provide 20 references. Same question I am giving. You can compare, madam.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So same question I am giving. Provide 20 references. See, go to hello, doctor. I have an account in this one. That's why it is showing. Hello, Dr. Asadi. I'm asking the question. Provide. My screen is visible. Provide 20 references of problem statement of current challenges in mutual fund. See, now it is going to generate 20 references. Okay. See, I understand market volatility. There are some references, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Management fees related some references here. Then lack of transparency. There are some references, madam. And extensive research needed. We have some more references. Additional references. See, Financial Industry Regulatory Authorities, Securities and Exchange Commission. So academic journals are available. Madam, this one academic journals. And industry reports related to mutual fund investment. News articles. News article also there, madam. And investment blogs related to mutual fund. Books. The Intelligent Investor. See, book name. See, these are the references. The Intelligent Book Investor, A Random Walk Down Wall Street. These are the 20 references I'm sharing in the chat box. You can compare which one is giving good question, madam. What is your name?
Sweta Rao, sir.
Sweta Rao. I'm giving these references, sir. What is that, sir? Why it is not pasting? I'm pasting here. It is not coming, sir.
Maybe
Group chat.
Group chat is not coming, sir. Oh,
Yeah, I'm. Yeah, I don't know, sir. It is not.
maybe some technical snag. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm replying to Sweta Rao.
Yeah, put
Can
it to
you?
madam.
Yeah. So still, your message is too large. But sir, in chat box it is not
Taking
allowing.
more, not
Yeah.
taking more information.
Yeah, no problem. So like this, madam, you got the answer for this query, madam? One more.
Sure.
Any query is there related to chat GPT?
No, sir, that's it. This is more framed.
One more. This is called Gemini. In the Google, you can type Gemini Bard AI, madam. You will get it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So next, how to write these things I have already explained, sir.
Sir, there is one more question. Kindly tell me
Yeah.
basic idea on how to prepare PPT for DC meeting. Sujata madam, I think she has put it. What type of content will take for PPT preparation? But Sujata madam,
Please.
what is DC meeting?
That means a department committee, sir, I think.
Okay. I think
Doctoral committee meeting, sir.
Doctoral committee. Madam, what is your query? Please tell me. Madam.
Sir, for doctoral committee meeting, how to prepare the PPT? What type of content will add in?
Okay. Provide suitable. See here, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Provide suitable content for doctoral committee. Okay. For presenting my thesis. Correct, madam? Or my topic. Thesis. Okay. So now it is providing suitable content, madam. See, provide suitable content. See here, title slide. So you need to current challenges and solutions on mutual fund investment. It is taking that problem only. Okay. Your name, first slide, madam. How to prepare slides. Okay. See, I'm explaining. First slide, title slide. The title, then your name, institution, date. Slide number 1, introduction, madam. So in introduction, you need to write objective background. Slide 2, problem statement. Market volatility, management fees, lack of transparency, extensive research needs. Slide 3, literature review. You need to summarize all the papers you have collected. Slide 4, methodology, research design or data collection. Slide number 5, market volatility. Slide number 6, management fees. Slide number 7, lack of transparency. Slide number 8, research burden. Slide number 9, proposed solution. Slide number 10, conclusion. In conclusion, what you have to mention? Summary, implications, future research. Slide number 11, question and answers. And references, IEEE references. See, it has given. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can I move to next topic? Yeah. So 1 second. So now for each topic, one practical, madam. I have shown this one first. First topic I have shown, introduction to research I have shown. Next, second topic, structured research. Structured research, there is a URL. Using project management tool like Asana, I have explained already. Asana basics. If you click this URL, you know how to do structured research. See now, I have clicked this one, Asana research here. So Asana. So it is going to help us what type of structure is, how to start using Asana. What is Asana? There is a practical demo. What can you do in Asana? Then there are some questions like personal productivity, like, okay, how Asana is organized. Then additional resources like this, structured research. Then next one, Trello tutorial for structured research. You can click this URL. You can listen this video, how to do structured research, madam. So there is no time. That's why I'm skipping right now. Next one. Next practical, third topic, identifying research topics and formulating research questions. Okay. So now see, this is one more URL, identifying AI-based tools for topic identification, Iris.ai. I'm clicking here. See now, I'm going to Iris.ai. My screen is visible. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir, visible.
Sir,
Yeah.
visible, sir.
www.iris.ai. Madam, one more chat GP type, madam. One more AI tool for to do structure research, the researcher workspace. So what are the workspace tools? Customer stories, waiting list. So introducing the researcher workspace. Okay. So request demo. So it is providing structured research. So if you use this one, the researcher workspace, it will give you how to do a structured research. Next, planning efforts required for research. What is your research plan? See here, practical, creating a research plan with the monday.com. If you click this monday.com, you will get it a research plan. Now see here, monday.com, your go-to work platform, get started. So here you can go step by step. You come to know what to do. One core platform for all your work. Whether you want to do tailored products, everything it will navigate. Okay. So monday.com research plan. If you want to have a research plan, you can use this one, monday.com. Next one, some video also there for planning, research planning. This is the video research plan. So 15 minutes video is there.
Get started with monday.com.
Monday.com tutorial for beginners is there, madam. Please go to this URL.
Efficiently.
How to use monday.com. This URL will help you. Okay. Next practical, next fifth topic is literature survey. How to do literature survey, search and review. You can conduct this one, a PubMed tutorial, Google Scholar search tips. So this is one URL. So how to do literature review, everything with practicals. Okay. So here, learning resources database. So PubMed online training. So it is a literature survey. All the papers, many papers are there. See here, related to your topic. If you choose your topic, it will demonstrate. Okay. Next, Google Scholar search tips. Google Scholar. I have explained already Google Scholar, no need. Next, research methodology type practical session. One more Nevo tutorials are there. Demonstration is there. Next, data analysis. There is a demonstration. SPSS tool is there. Demonstration video is there. Okay. So you can go through my slide, practical session. Then Turnitin software, ethical issues in research. Now go to this URL, go to Turnitin software. Per paper, they are charging actually. Turnitin software. My screen is visible. Just go to go.turnit.in. Here, you need to submit your paper. requesting for, see, full name. You need to give your first name, second name, work email, institution, URL, request indexing. So it will give Turnitin. Once you are a authorized user for this Turnitin software, they will charge for each paper, 2000 rupees like that. Okay. This is Turnitin software practical demonstration. If you want to do, you can use this URL. For every slide, I kept once URLs. So if you are not understanding, go for a demonstration video. YouTube video is there. How to use Turnitin software. See here, within 3 minutes, how to use a Turnitin software. See.
Dr. Moore, and I am on
Turnitin AI writing detection available now. Plugin is there. How to avoid that plugin
right now with Turnitin's new AI.
Turnitin software. Okay. So next one is research methods, research metrics and inputs. See here, practical session. Google Scholar citations, I have already shown, and practical demonstration is there. Next topic, environment and validation. Evaluation and validation. You can use this Publan how to review article for practical session again. So how to conducting peer review. See, your paper you are submitting, immediately clarivate, here you will get it reviews, whether your research is in basic level, normal level and moderate, or high level standard. That's why depends on your research. You are submitting article like it is in Springer, elsewhere, IEEE, Nature, ACM, etc. etc. Okay. Then go for next one, writing and presenting research. Okay. Writing and research by using latex and overleaf. There is a demo is there. You can use overleaf tool. Nowadays it is very popular. All my IIIT students at Allahabad, I am guiding for them PhD and MTech students. I am guiding. So they are using overleaf. If you click overleaf tool, it is very good. Everything template is there. So whatever, if you are ready with content, you can use this overleaf one. Automatically introduction, what you have to do. You can, there is a code. Okay. Then after introduction, then go for next one. First chapter, second chapter, like that. Everything it will navigate. How to do everything. Okay. Then styles and colors of your research article. Next, linking web pages. If you want to link the web pages, you can use this one. Then inserting link manually, PDF specific options, reference guide, further reading, like that. You can prepare a research article very easily by using overleaf. Keep in mind. Or latex. Latex is little bit tough, but overleaf is very easy. Keep in mind. Next, collaboration research, writing research proposals and collaboration research. This is the topic Muralidhar sir asking. Practical session by using Slack for collaborative research. You can use this URL. You can prepare a research proposal title, abstract, objectives, and then you can prepare time chart, budget plan, everything you can see in this Slack guide. So here you can find how to start a research proposal. Suppose new proposal, there is a demo, 5 minutes demo. You can use it, that demo, for preparing research proposal very easily. There is no problem. By using this Slack helper center, you can listen this YouTube and you can prepare your own research proposal, or you can use any ChatGPT or Google Bard AI, etc. You can do it. Next one, mind mapping for research. So mind mapping for research, practical session, you can use MindMeister. So MindMeister, sir, my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
MindMeister is there? MindMeister.
Yes, yes.
Getting started with MindMeister. If you want to do practicals with your PhD and MTech students, use this URL, give them each one with each topic, then go with the practical demonstration. And by using this mind meter, he will get a very good idea how to analyze jargon and terminology of your own domain. You can develop, see here, so mind map, it is developing various tools and techniques and features, advantages, disadvantages, and everything you can develop with the practical session. Then last one, research methodology laboratory. So what we are going to do, so Labster, you can use one URL called Labster. So here you can do some simulation work or any practical work. Put your students in the shoes of real scientist. If they want to develop a real scientist, use this type of simulation tools are available. Biology, chemistry, physics, 35 other domains are available. Okay. So if for your students, for your children also, you can give this labster.com so that they will get idea how to develop a practical session on simulation. They will learn how to develop simulation work, then they will go for practical session. So with this one, I am closing the session. Any queries and anything, please let me ask. This is your time. You can explore on various queries on today's topic, enriching your research skills. See, I haven't explained much, but I have given some ignite on each topic and how to do practical session on by using various AI and ICT tools, some URLs, some demonstration I have shown. Now this is the time you can ask me queries. And you can give me the feedback, and you can ask any queries and any suggestions. And meanwhile, 80 participants are there.
Asadi
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
I think it was a very enlightening session, I can say. Very deep
Thank
dive
you.
analysis onto the research area. You have touched upon very important tools and internet links for them to explore. And
Yes, sir.
I think it very much thankful. And maybe 1 minute we can see any participant want to share their experience, one or two.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Then we will
Yeah,
have a vote of thanks and we'll have a closing session. Maybe any
yes, sir.
participant want to share their
Feedback.
feedback, and feedback I am collecting in the attendance form. I will share you separately.
Okay.
Then anybody wants to say in the group about Asadi sir today's presentation can just
Yeah, please.
speak for a minute.
Sir, thank you so much. Very informative session, especially for the new faculties like us who are new to research. So starting
you,
from the
madam.
basic, from the scratch, you showed us how we can go about the research till the end.
Mm.
So
Mm.
really grateful and appreciate, sir, you have taken so much of efforts for us to make us understand each and everything. Thank you so much, sir. It would be really great if you share the PPT and
Yeah, yeah.
also the challenges that you have shared through chat GPT. If you can share it, it would be great, sir.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Please take my number. I will share it through WhatsApp also. Please
Sir.
note down my number. It is there on the screen. My
Sir,
screen is visible.
Asadi sir, I will share it because Svetara madam, she is from Loyola Academy. I am an alumni of Loyola, so I am in touch
Oh,
with them.
fantastic, fantastic.
So I will do that,
Very
no
good.
problem. You share it to my WhatsApp, I will transfer it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm sharing, sir. I'm sharing the PPT.
Okay.
And what else, madam? Any more feedbacks from participants?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What is your name?
Yeah, I am Mrs. Vijay Pathasarni, sir.
So Asadi sir, Vijay madam, she is from Srimati Indira Gandhi College, Trichy.
Oh, nice to meet you, madam.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Actually, I wanted to attend your program many times. Actually, Muralidharan sir introduced you to me. He has given your number also. He
Yeah,
has
yeah.
actually sent share your meetings also, and through LinkedIn also I attend your whole program. Very nice, and very thankful to both Maridharan sir and yourself. Great sir,
Yeah,
great sir.
thank you. Thank you, madam.
And yeah, many of my staff members, Dr. Manikanta sir also said that he also know you very well. He also wanted to attend, and he also wanted to contact you. Definitely in future he will contact sir. Very happy,
Yeah,
sir. Very
thank
happy.
you.
Great,
Yeah,
great.
thank you, thank you. Any other, some other participants? 76 members are there. Please subscribe my channel and type in YouTube Dr. Asadi. You will get it. Write one feedback, please.
So
1 minute time.
any feedback
Any
from
queries?
our Ashoka colleagues? Maybe one or
Yeah,
two.
Ashoka Engineering College.
Yeah, highly appreciated.
Good evening,
Yeah.
Amma.
My name is
What
Sujata,
is-
sir. I'm head of Redefining, sir.
Madam, your voice is breaking, madam.
Yeah, it
Hello,
is.
sir.
It is. Okay. Yeah, your voice is audible, madam. Yeah,
Yes,
please.
sir. Sir, really, it's very informative session, sir.
Yeah.
It is very useful for a research scholar in initial stage, sir.
Yes, yes.
Today, I learned many things, sir. How to use the chatbot and how to use the tools in chatbot,
Yes.
and how to improve to writing the research papers. What is the differentiation between different types of papers? Really,
Yes.
today I learned many things from you, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
So
madam.
thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, please, 72 participants are there. Please subscribe my channel. With your mobile also, at least. I'm expecting 70 members subscription.
Yes, already I
my channel.
subscribed, sir.
Yeah,
Already I
thank you,
subscribed
madam.
and I'm following you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I think if we do not have any other feedbacks, I'll request our Acharya sir, is a EEE HOD, to give the vote
Yes,
of
sir.
thanks to Dr. Asadi sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Acharya
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I'm very much glad to meet you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
After going through that presentation. Sir,
Yeah.
can I start, sir? Vote of thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you, sir.
yes.
Sir, it's my great pleasure, sir. Especially, I thank to Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, sir, Head Research of Data Science from University of Newcastle, Australia. Sir, thank you, sir. In spite of your busy schedule, even though you present and give the information very much valuable, sir. So I think so many faculty members will be motivated with this presentation, and as well as the faculty members who are doing already the research work, it will be useful for empowering and improving their research quality. This is one aspect, sir. The other one is the way, what are the tools we can utilize. So many tools we don't know, sir, really, because we are restricting only some tools like what we call Turnitin and ChatGPT only. But apart from that, you explained very much elaborately, and by taking examples and in a live session you have given, sir. So we are very much thankful to you, sir, on behalf of Ashoka Women's Engineering College principal and management, sir.
Yeah,
and also this is a great session, sir. We never and ever saw this type of valuable information sharing by any resource person, because you are having such a vast experience. So that's why we feel that really we got a good session, sir, in this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
First of all,
that credit goes to Muralidhar Reddy, sir.
Yes, sir.
He
Yes, sir.
requested.
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, we thank to Muralidhar, sir, and as well as first of all, I would like to thank to our management, principal, sir, director, sir, to arrange this type of sessions, which is helpful for the faculty members, especially for the and less experienced people who are motivating on the research side.
Yes.
Sir, last but not least, sir, and also I'm very much thankful to all the participants from various institutions and various universities, sir. We are very much thankful to you to participate and for your patience and your presence. So on behalf of Ashoka Women's Engineering College.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you so much, sir.
Asadi,
Sir, definitely we will make in contact with you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
I'm also one of the researcher now. I am doing the research.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
I completed
My
PhD.
dear participants, if you are having any doubt and anything, you can take my number. It is available in the slide, and you can take from Muralidhar sir regarding any conference paper, journal paper. That help I am going to do with you. Don't worry. You can ask me, sir. I need help in any proposal or any research article conference. I am going to help and collaborate with you.
Sir,
No
from the
problem.
participant side, a small request, sir. If
Yeah,
you
yeah, sure.
share the presentation, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I'm sharing to Muralidhar sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will collect and share to all the pets.
No,
Yeah,
no,
sure.
this presentation part, I will take care of it. I'll share it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Anyway,
it's-
thank you, sir. Once again, we are very much thankful to you, sir. On
So
behalf
Asadi sir, final words from you before we close it. And before that, I'll say it is a great pleasure to have you today as a resource day 3. And really, it has given a lot of inputs to our total attendees of this FDV program. And look
Yes.
forward greater association from our Ashoka College with you.
Yeah,
So,
sure, sir.
So
Sure,
final words from you, we'll close it.
Yeah. Thank you for thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir, Muralidhar sir, and principal management, my dear lovely participants. You have interacted with me very good. And now onwards, if you are having any doubt related to paper, conference, or journal proposal, collaboration, anything, you can take my number, WhatsApp number, and you can contact me regarding any doubt, preparation of research article, preparation of conference paper, research proposal. I am going to help you, and I'll collaborate with you in this research field. Thank you, sir. And
Thank you,
thank
sir. Thank you so
yeah.
much.